About this bra yesterday, in love with it, love it even more after wearing it for a few days. It really does remind you to stand up straight, sit up straight, and also one of the things that I noticed is that sometimes when I bend over, I just like bend over like that, but when I have this bra on, it kind of forces me to squat down. It just gives like a little bit of feedback, which makes it great. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on, but I wanted to show you under clothes to see if you could see the difference. This is normal bra, normal posture. Okay, now let's put on the Forme Science bra and see what happens. So this is what I look like with this on. I can see a difference. I am not trying to stand up any straighter. It just kind of helps me get my back in the right position. And because of that, I do think that then my pelvis straightens out as well. I tend to do like this, again, I'm exaggerating, as the day progresses. And this is just helping me stand up. I'm gonna say properly, not necessarily straighter, kind of engage, keep everything where it needs to be. So I'm a fan. You can see the bra comes down to here. It is a really nice long line. And when you have it on, this is super wide and it comes out a little bit wider on the sides. So you're gonna have to tell me, I don't know from the back if you can see it, but this is the bra under clothes. I really like it. It is pricey, that is for sure, but I definitely think if you are working on your posture and if you are concerned because you sit all day at the computer that you might be hunching over, this is really something to consider. I do think I'm going to invest in the size small. I am wearing a size medium. I was really nervous about putting this on. I am able to get the medium over my head, no problem. You can also step into it. So if you have trouble getting sports bras on, you can step into this. And then again, check out my video from yesterday. I'm going to link it in case you found me just by searching. There is this like little piece of material. I think you can see it here, right here. And that is material, but it's thicker and has more structure to it and it's sturdier. So that is kind of what is helping me to kind of pull my shoulders back and get into position. But really nice product. I'll link it and I think it's worth it. So check it out.